also has an
There's
effective
Ice again.
cyber
It's been a
division
long
that is
time
suspected
since I
of
last
having
posted
influenced
anything
elections
in
across
this
the world in
site
recent years,
or in my
including
page,
those for the
but
recent American and French president
yeah,
elections,
this is also
as
going
well
to
as
be
the
one of
Brexit
the
vote.
first
North
of
Korea is
many
also
videos I'll
actively
be
involved in this,
doing
as unlike
from here
traditional
on,
warfare,
and
it can be conducted from virtually
basically,
anywhere without needing visible military hardware. A number of recent breaches of
will
nationally
actually
important systems
be
in
something
America,
that
Europe,
will be for everyone here in the Philippines. I'll be giving away a lot of freebies to people who are gonna visit my site or my page and just comment and like and probably subscribe, hopefully, to my channel. It's gonna be a series of informational videos regarding tech, gadgets, PC stuff, water cooling, hobbies, etc. and etc. But first off, since I've been in the hobby industry the longest, and some people in the industry, especially in Gunpla, already know who I am, then let's start there. I'll be giving away people who be for people who'll be liking my page and subscribing and commenting below. I'll be giving away kits that are already built and probably some kits that I still haven't built for free, but you have to pay for the shipping, or you can actually pick it up at my place, doesn't matter. But if you're not here in Metro Manila or NCR and you're having trouble traveling all the way here just to get the kit, then you'll have to pay for the shipping fee. The kit will be totally free. I can even sign it for you, or even for the kits that I've painted. I'm also thinking of giving some of them away, not all of them. I'll probably be keeping some for my own, but since I'm thinking of quitting this hobby, that's the reason why I'm doing this series. I have a lot of kits, as you can see. That's just a few of them, but I will definitely be giving them away. Okay, just need people to sign up, subscribe, and say hi, say something, and it's gonna be a raffle. I'll probably be giving the first kit away in about 3 weeks time, or so, because I'll be leaving the country at the end of the month. So when I get back, I'll do a raffle, and if you're the lucky winner and I get to choose your name, then you get the kit for free. Alright? Whatever it is, it's guaranteed authentic, because you guys know me. I hate bootlegs, and I hate bootleggers who condone the purchasing of bootlegs. That's the reason why those kind of companies exist, because of those kind of people. But for those people who likes genuine stuff, then this is for you, because all my kits, I've actually tried bootlegs, and that's the reason why I hate them, because I know firsthand how it feels like to build them and how frustrating it is when you can't even fit the kits together, when you can't even do a simple snap in of the parts when you're building them, and you have to like do a lot of shit just to get them together. But again, it's dependent on you, but here it is. This is a freebie for everyone, all Filipinos, non-Filipinos, so long as you're in Metro Manila. If you subscribe, like my channel, and comment below, you're eligible to get a kit for free. That's how simple it is. Alright, so until next time, on my next video, I'll keep you guys posted. Peace out.